What's up, beauties and cuties? Welcome back to another video. All I have to do is give chef kisses to this look. Chef kisses, because I'm so ready for this particular warm weather. I honestly was like, you know what? Beauties and cuties, they need some of this tropical, some of this snatchness to bring in the spring vibes. If you are new, welcome to the Beauties and Cuties Gang. My name is Zelda Nadine, and listen, you want to be a part of this community, make sure you subscribe. Stay to the end of the video. If you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is do my eyes first, y'all. I honestly have been debating on what palette I was going to use. Okay, so I'm going to prep my eyes with the P. Louise Rumor 2 all over the eyes first before I get started in doing this look. I'm thinking a little smoky eye, like a cute brown smoke with a pop of blue. That's what I'm thinking. I think I'm going to go that route right now and buff all of that out, get the creases out as much as I can, guys.
Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got.
The Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette. Now, I would open it for y'all, but it is, when I say loved, y'all see how it looks. It's loved. So there's a lot of cracked pans in here. So I'm going to go into the chocolate color. That's the one that's next to the black. And if I can put a picture up here, just so you can see the palette itself.
When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat.
Now you want to make sure, with me, I like to take my time, especially with my smoked eyes. I hate, like you guys seen in the past how my smoked eyes have turned out. I take my time. I hate looking like I've rushed anything in my smoked eyes. So make sure that you take your time, y'all.
Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby.
Now I'm going to go into the third chocolate color, which from the black, the third one to the left, to the left, to the left. And I'm going to put that right over top of the eye, going into the inner crease just to darken it up a little bit. And then I'm going to start blending it up. Why every time I do my makeup, my stomach's growling? I don't understand. Now that I have bought some of that color up, I'm going to use my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to dip into a lighter shade. I'm going to dip into it's a orangey tan shade. Orangey tan. That's not even a word. Right here. Y'all see that? Pretty. Ooh, honey. To go right above the smoke.
You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
So now that I have achieved the blend that I want, I'm Morphe my Morphe Set and Mist, and I'm gonna wet my brush, and I'm gonna go into a shimmer color. I'm going to go right above my brow bone.
Them right. Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do
the fluffy brush. I'm going to blend all of that in with the fluffy brush, where we not looking like we got lines. Now I'm going to do the rest of my eye off camera and I will come back. Now that I have both my eyes done, I'm going to go ahead and begin on my face. I actually am going to use my e.l.f. hydrating primer because my skin is majorly dry right now. So this e.l.f. hydrating face primer is like the best. If you don't have this, go pick it up. Next, I'm going to go in with the new Morphe Foundation, and I am in the color Tan 21. I'm going to use the Buffing Foundation Brush by e.l.f. This is one of my favorites to put on foundation. I'm trying to learn how to use my left hand. It's like hard. All y'all lefties, big props out to y'all, because let me tell you, this is a task. And I'm just going to buff that into the face to make sure we don't have any harsh lines. Now I'm going in with my Morphe Concealer. And I'm not going to do a lot of brightening this go around because I want to keep it kind of natural but give drama in the face. So that's what I'm going to do this time around. I read somewhere that when you use your left hand, that means that you're activating the left side of your brain, which helps you get smarter. If you believe that, leave a comment below, because I actually have been trying my best to use my left hand a lot more recently, and I was like, you know what, I don't know if I'm getting smarter, but it is difficult to do. For me, it's difficult to do because I am a righty. But let me know if you heard that before. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my favorite foundation stick, the Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Benin, because you guys know I love a good contour. And this time I'm going to contour my chin. So I'm going to go underneath, like cut the chin and then bring it down the jawline. Listen, I don't know, have you guys seen lately at Ulta, because I know at my Ulta they were doing like a sale on these foundation sticks, and I was like, is Juvia's Place not gonna be selling the foundation sticks anymore? Because I'm gonna have to re-up. Sponge that I used earlier, and I'm going to just pull that down. I'm gonna use the sponge this time. I'm not gonna use the buffer.
When it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too.
Now I'm gonna set my concealer, since it's been sitting for a while, and I'm gonna set it in my favorite setting powder, which is, you know guys, it's the Fenty Pro Filter in Honey. I'm gonna just set it. I'm not gonna I'm just gonna press it into the skin. I'm not gonna sit it and let it bake.
We could do it all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't.
I'm going to do my waterline with Wet n Wild's brown pencil.
Ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my.
I'm going to actually go into the Sweet Oasis palette, the 35S palette in Cove. This color right here, right under the eye, with my smudge brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And I'm going to blow out that under eye.
I'd rather be on that wave, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. You wanna go insane.
Now, right under Hidden Cove, I'm going to take my M506 brush and I'm going to go into the color, in between the color Reef Dive and Coastal Cruise. That's these two shimmery colors, just to bring a little bit of a brighter blue color. See? Every time I do under the eyes, I feel like I'm going to poke myself in the eye, but I'm not. You use that same setting spray and just spray it down. Y'all see how I went ahead and do like that, as if it's going to spray at me. It's not. But ooh, we like the Coastal Cruise on the inner corner of my tear duct, just like that. Since we already have our setting spray, bang, baby. Listen, it's real. It's real right now. Real. I'm gonna go ahead and do my liquid liner off camera using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Go pick it up because it's the bomb. And I'm gonna put on my lashes, my Mykonos lashes by Lily Lashes, off camera also. Now that I have my lashes on, I'm gonna go in with my Micro Smooth and I'm gonna set my foundation. Next, I'm going to end with my favorite blush palette right now, which is the e.l.f. Cosmetic blush palette. I'm going to go in between this pink color and this tannish color, so it won't be so bright, but it still be, you know, you can see it. And I'm using the Morphe Jacqueline Hill brush in JH06. This time when I highlight, I'm going to go back into the 35S shadow. It's pinkish color right here. And understand that you can highlight with eyeshadow if you did not know that, for those who didn't know. And I'm going to get that pink Just Us Two and go right above my blush. That's pretty. What y'all think? I'm going to set my face with my setting mist that I've been using this whole time really quick. Yeah, woo, I love setting mist. Going in with my NYX lip pencil in the color Nutmeg. This is my new favorite right now. And with the Morphe Mega Matte in the color Tease. I have not used this color. I've used this color, I think, on my eyelids. I have not used it on my lips. My Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Ashton over top. And mute that down a little bit. And this is the final look, guys. I'm hoping that you enjoyed this video. This is giving me summer vibes. It's giving me, you know, nighttime summer vibes, ready to go out, and it's complimenting my bun. Make sure you give this a like, a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this look and share this video, y'all. We are almost at 1,000 subbies and I'm super excited about it. You guys are amazing and I hope to see you at the next video. Bye.